How's it going, everyone? Today I want to do a POV drive in my 2008 Saab 9.3 Turbo X. I've done a POV style video in this car before actually, so if you want to see that, go ahead and click the link in the top corner up here. I actually filmed that video a couple weeks after I got the car, so the car has obviously had a lot done to it since then. And I figured in this video, instead of talking about the car while I was driving, I would just shut up, let you guys listen to the exhaust, let you listen to all the sounds the car makes, get that true driving experience as opposed to me talking and drowning all that out. So for the most part, I'm willing to stay quiet in this video. I thought I'd try it out, see if you guys like it. If you do, let me know down below in the comments. Without further ado, let's go ahead, unlock her, jump in right here, key down in the center, of course, like all modern Saabs for the most part. Let's get going. So we won't scrape. And we're good. I don't know how to heel toe downshift, so I'm just going to do that. The camera angle might be a little bit crooked. I kind of have to, the way the camera's mounted, it's a little bit hard for me to see at times, so I'm going to try to keep it mounted or the best angle I can, but no guarantees, so I apologize for that. I hope you guys can see the gauge cluster and everything. Go through the ESID here real quick. So if you do have an ESID too, if you're interested in one, I actually did a video on that. But to access the ESID too, you just hold down the clear button right here. Brings up your main menu with everything. I usually like to keep it at coolant temp when it's, especially when it's hotter out, so that way I can make sure that the engine's not running too hot. But for this, so you got coolant right there, 181, that's just about where it should be. The power and torque numbers, if you guys can read that, are not accurate because of the tune on the car. Now, who wants to see average MPG? That's lame. We go with air mass, we go with intake temps. Turbo pressure, can't go wrong with that. I think we'll just leave it there for now. You guys will probably notice I don't drive at 10 and 2 or 9 and 3 like a normal person for the most part. I'm usually sitting at, like one hand right here. Or sometimes I'll just put a hand down here. It really just depends. Down the 5th, going the 4th here. You guys might notice that I film a lot of it when I'm filming videos like outside, like just me talking outside with the car in like the background. It's being filmed like right here. This is like a really quiet area that I usually use to film. Sometimes there's people walking, but it's usually not any traffic because you know it's a dead end in the neighborhood, so. I feel like this video is turning into like a behind the scenes of sorts. Like you guys are seeing like where I film and I don't know, how I drive, because it's, you know, there's gonna be people criticizing me how I drive probably, but you know, it is what it is. I don't listen to the haters. Come on. Uphill a little bit here, but there's buses everywhere. I came out at a bad time. They're picking all the high schoolers up. Curious as if you guys could hear the turbo there from the intake. It's one of those sounds that's really hard to pick up on camera, so I'm wondering if my mic could pick it up right there. So I'm interested to watch that back, and hopefully you guys can hear it, because the 088 intake compared to stock, it's a pretty big difference in terms of the amount of turbo noise that you get. It's really amazing. I'm sitting behind a landscaping truck here. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Beautiful view, beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees. You guys can't see the mountain right there really, but I slowly think I'm going insane. I think I'm going insane, guys. There's a lot of people out walking today. And I've ended up just talking because, you know, I don't want to give you guys a video where I'm just sitting here cruising at 35 miles an hour behind a landscaping truck. So I'm curious, for those of you that drive manual, when you're coming up to a stop like I am right here, do you downshift before every stop, or do you just put in the neutral like I usually do and then just kind of coast and brake? I think it depends on the person. For me, usually I just put in neutral, but sometimes I'll downshift. Just depends on the situation. I'm curious to know what you guys do. A U-turn here. I'll tell you guys, for being a turbocharged vehicle, the throttle response in this thing and how quickly the turbo builds boost is pretty dang incredible. Uh-oh, there's a Focus ST who likes to run around with his loud exhaust and gold wheels. See that guy all the time. Nice AMG. All right. Here we go, nice open stretch. Downshift in the second here. I know there's gonna be people who are commenting, oh, my Saab's faster than this, but I don't give a shit. Ooh, got on the brakes there hard for a split second. They grip. This car does need new brakes though. I think I'm going to try to get some slotted enduroed rotors in the front and rear, and probably some EBC red stuff pads. That's pretty much what I've decided on. Fast around a few times about that. Man, these brakes are good though. I mean, the OEM brakes, it's purely for aesthetics. That's why I'm getting the different rotors, because the OEM rotors and pads even are just so good. I think I'm going to end the video there. I'm not sure, I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but if you guys enjoy it, please let me know down below in the comments. Maybe I could do a video like this in my other 9.3, or the 9.5 Aero, or I don't even know. But if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know down below in the comments. If you'd like to see more POV videos, let me know down below in the comments. That's it for today. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see y'all next time.